Hey, what's up, soldiers? Chris here. Vibes up in the office. A little serious chat with you guys today. We haven't done one of these one-on-one in quite a while. Before we begin, I just wanted to say thank you so much for your continued support. We're doing some amazing numbers now. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and the website. Yo, mama, yo, keeping busy. And we're just spreading the culture worldwide, you know what I mean? That said, there are a few things I wanted to point out to you guys here moving forward. You're going to see some changes. You're going to see some new exciting things. One, before we do anything else, if you haven't clicked on that little bell notification thing here on YouTube, you're probably missing quite a bit of the videos. Once you click that off, you will get a notification that there is a new video. I try to post a new video every Tuesday. That would be Tasty Tuesday, and then maybe Thursday or Friday you would get a gallivanting video, one of the mobile videos. I got tons of content coming for you guys. I've got some more stuff from Trinidad coming, some more stuff from Barbados. I've got some stuff, well, quite a bit from Aruba to share with you all. Now, the sort of changes and improvements which are coming. One, you may want to subscribe to, or be a fan on Facebook. I will start doing live Facebook videos pretty soon. I'm in the testing mode right now. We tested that a few months back, but I didn't go back to it. I will be going back to that in April. And in those videos, we're gonna answer a lot of your kitchen conundrums, a lot of questions that I get from time to time, not recipe specific, but food and culture and just questions that you may have. I will try to address them in those live videos on Facebook. Two, we're going to be launching a new video series here on YouTube as well in live format, and that one is going to be, it's going to be a couple days. I'm not sure, I'm still playing around with dates because I want to be able to have an exact schedule for you all. And that one is going to discuss recipes that I post. So every Tuesday, as I said, I post a new recipe and we get tons of questions from those recipes. So I'd like to address, every week we're going to have like a recipe chat. Three, on Instagram, if you're not following me yet on Instagram, check out @caribbeanpot. We're in the process of putting together the framework for doing live cooking videos on there. So Facebook, answer your questions. YouTube Live, we're doing recipe questions, and on Instagram @caribbeanpot we will be doing actual recipe demos. So three exciting things coming, and all three of them will be doing giveaways. You're gonna love some of the giveaways. Like from time to time I get stuff sent by companies, and I'd love to be able to give them back out to you guys. Plus, you know, we'll go shopping and get some stuff to do some giveaways. So you want to tune in, if not only for the giveaways. You're gonna like those. Finally, before I go, I want to thank everyone who has been supporting me the last year on Patreon. If you are a patron, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. The money goes a long way into helping produce videos like these. If you're not, I would really appreciate it if you consider doing so. You know, I realize it's not for everyone, but if you can, please, I'll have a link down below how you can support what I'm doing further. So Chris here at caribbeanpot.com. Always a pleasure to have you guys, you know, to do this one-on-one with me and in the kitchen and stuff like that. What else can I say? Yeah, live videos coming, lots of giveaways, new website coming. I forgot to mention that to you guys. And something I'm working on in the background, another cookbook. Your boy is real busy these days. Yo, make it a great Thursday. It's Thursday. Make it a great Thursday. Bye-bye.